Hey guys, what's up? Okay, so today...
Okay, pause. Yeah, I don't know why my brain thought that if I looked into the mirror, it would look like I was looking into the camera. Because that don't even make no damn sense. I obviously was running late. I was a mess. So, sorry for this awkward intro.
We got a little different angle going on, but I wanted to film in a different spot because today I'm doing my running late for work, running late for school, running late for life, running late for a doctor's appointment. Like, they be charging $50 fines if you show up late more than once. So, we got to get there on time. This is not a no makeup routine. This is a full face, as much as we can possibly pull off in 10 minutes. It ended up being a little bit more than 10 minutes. It was like 11 or 12 minutes, but still. And I'm keeping it very real with you guys today because I'm actually running late for work. Just to add a little more pizzazz onto it, I wanted to make it realistic. So if you want to see how to get this quick look, go ahead and keep on watching. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and put 10 minutes on the clock on my broke ass phone. Let's see what we can do. Okay. Alright, and go. Okay, so first things first, we're not priming our face. We're going to get fired from our jobs. There is no time for priming, okay? Gonna take the LA Girl Pro Coverage Foundation right here on my little spongy. And we're just gonna slap it on a little bit. Like full coverage in 2 seconds? Okay, we got this. We really got this. I literally already messed up because I usually do brows before foundation, so we're just gonna hope that this turns out okay. Because when you're running late for something, you really don't be thinking straight, and that's me right now. Gonna get the ears. Ugh. Can you tell that I can't see because I'm like this? Yeah, I can't see. Moving on to brows. Usually, like I said, I would do this first, but oh well. I'm gonna take the Anastasia DipBrow Gel and brush that through my brows. Does this look like a mess? Absolutely, but it won't in a second, so we're all good. Gonna clean up the brows with concealer. If you're thinking, do you really have time for this? Yes, you do, because this will make everything pop off. This is what tells people, damn, she took an hour to get ready. She didn't take no 10 minutes. So this is like the most important step for me in making it look like I actually tried this morning. If you put music on, you'll really be flying through this routine. It just helps you move faster because you're moving with the beat, moving with the rhythm. Look at that. Tell me that you wouldn't believe that I actually took my time to get ready with these eyebrows. When your eyebrows are together, it just looks like your life is together. So that's the vibe that we're going for today. Fake it till you make it. And using the e.l.f. Camo Concealer. My girl. I honestly did not need to go that hard on concealer. I'm telling you, when you're in a hurry, your brain does not work properly. Like, you just do anything. not being greasy is another way that you can make it look like you actually put yourself together, because the biggest sign that I was in a rush is that my whole face is like greasy and a mess. When I'm rushing, I do not do a real contour. I just use my ABH Cosmetics Bronze Bay Bronzer. This stuff right here, bomb. And it'll bring some dimension back to your life when you put on way too much concealer. And then take a little brush here, add that onto your lid, because if not, you're gonna be creasy and you're gonna look weird because your whole eyelid is like one bright ass color, and that just doesn't look right. So add a little bit of dimension here with your bronzer. Like I said, once again, these are the steps that make it look like you actually tried. Okay. Oh, we almost out of time right now. Pop on a little blush. Okay, what am I doing? And I literally take that same little eyeshadow brush and I will put that on my nose as like a light nose contour. Yes, 10 minutes is shockingly enough to do all this. As long as you're quick with your hands, I'm telling you, you can pretty much pull off any face. The best time-saving thing is to have a palette that has everything all in one. Like, let me go ahead and spray my face real quick. Ooh, gotta make sure to spray your face. But if you have a little palette like this where it has like bronzer and blush and highlight all in one, that's even better because it saves you the extra steps. And I feel like the highlight really pulls it together. Okay, that was way too much highlight. Wow. But it kind of pulls it together a little bit. Once again, these are the things that makes it look like you really did that. Rushing me? Was I rushing? No, I took my time. I perfected my craft. Moving on to lips real quick. If I'm really rushing, I'll just put a lip gloss on in my car. I always keep a lip gloss on deck in my car, because you never know. Okay, we are officially out of time, but it's all good because I have a couple minutes to spare. Throw a little gloss on. We don't got time for lipstick. We don't have time to mess around with liquid lipstick. Throw on a little gloss. There we go. Same thing with mascara. Honestly, if I'm really running late and I'm in a rush, I will put my mascara on in my car on the way, pretend I didn't just say that, or I will just rush over and then apply my mascara quickly in the bathroom or when I park my car. Can you tell that I'm not new to this? I am true to this. That's not good, you guys. That is not good. Nobody should know what it's like to be late that often. Okay. I say throw as many layers of mascara on as you can to make your eyes pop, to distract from the fact that you didn't prime your face. And you probably got a little texture, but it's all good. As long as the eyes pop, you got a little bit of gloss on, your cheeks are shiny, and your brows are on point, nobody in the world will notice that this only took you like 12 minutes to complete, because we're only like a minute or two over right now. But we're good, okay? We good. And that is literally it, you guys. This is the face that I do every single day. Literally, this is how you'll see me every day on my Instagram stories. You can follow me at AshGhotCakes. This is as real as it gets, you guys. I'm actually running late to work right now, and I actually pulled off a pretty bomb face. Let's get these sales, okay? Anyways, you guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it helps some of you out, some of you that are running late and you got stuff to do and you're a busy person, you're a busy mom, anything. I got you, okay? I got you. If you like this video, go ahead and like it, go ahead and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.